Hello friends, my name is Sagar Kapadia. I am from Krinet Design. Today I will teach you how to create a text property into the Figma. For that we need to make one button, write one text here, adjust the font size, grouping these items, name of this component and create one component. Create component and if you want to change this text button then you need to create for this property by using clicking on this create text property. Here you need to write your name of this property. You can write anything, your text, and then create property. So you can see here is your text property. So now you can create an instance of this component by using the alter key. Now, if you want to change this button, then you most probability you can click on this button and write it here, sign up. But instead of this, we can make it when you click on this component here. You can see your text. Okay, so here you need to write any download, so it will change automatically without going into the layer. If you want to change this label, then you can write sign in. If you write any uh, sign up, then here is go. So we can make a text property any number of time. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.